Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. The Sneaker Tribune.com. Please go there. Check out the website. Dope content, video content. I curate other videos from great YouTubers that have dope content. The whole nine. Check it out. This pickup I just got in, there was a sale. You know I like the sales, man. I like the steals and deals. There was a sales at Concepts. It's an actual retail store, and then they have an online store. They had a 50% off sale on clothing and shoes. And when I say everything, almost not everything, but almost every brand. I saw Vans, Nike, Adidas. I mean the whole nine, man. So I had to scoop up a few goodies, and I even got my son some goodies as well. The first one I'm going to open is, now I already opened this box, but the other box I didn't open. But this box came from Concepts, but it is, if you can see, a box from Clark's Originals. So these are a pair of Clark's. They have a particular shoe that I wear the crap out of. I actually have two pair already. One is a Supreme collab, and another one I just got out of their store. And this is the same shoe, different material and color. This is the Clark's Wallabees. These, I love these shoes, man. They're comfortable, they're dope. This one, I thought actually when I bought them and saw them online, I thought it was just like a normal leather, but this has like a tumble to it. It's kind of like, it looks like a basketball, like a NBA basketball almost, the material and the way it looks, but it's dope. Definitely gonna wear this, just style it out a little bit. I like these, man. If you don't have a pair of these, you should definitely get you a pair of Wallabees from Clark's. You can get some from other brands, but they not these. You know what I'm saying? These are the ones. And to be interesting, like the fun thing about it is, I learned about Wallabees in the 90s. Actually, I had a pair when I was in high school. A couple people used to laugh and say they looked like orthopedic shoes or something. I didn't care. They were comfortable and they were dope. Like, people made fun of them, but a lot of people like, nah, those are dope. But of course, you know, people make fun of things when you different, or you dare to do something different. And I didn't care. I wore what I liked ever since I was a kid. So I had a black pair of these that were all leather. They were dope. And people laugh, but then we start, me and a relative of mine had a pair, and then we slowly start seeing other people going to buy them all of a sudden. But these are dope, no doubt about it. Actually, and I learned about these from listening to Wu-Tang Clan. I always used to hear, I think it was Ghostface or Ray would always talk about Wallabees, and that's what he was referring to. So I had to get a pair of these again. Like I said, this is my third pair. I have a tan pair, a blue pair from a Supreme collab, and then this pair. So these are definitely going straight to feet immediately. Not immediately, immediately. The next shoe that we have actually is two shoes. Bought a pair for my son, and I bought a pair for myself. So they put them in this big box, and you can see it has Concepts website on the box. So that's dope. So let's see. I mean, if you don't shop there, you wouldn't know what it was. You know, everybody now is starting to brand their boxes and tape now. That's like the new thing to say, hey, come steal me. So the first shoe, just gonna show the shoe I bought for my son. Nothing fancy. They had a good deal. Now those Wallabees were regular price $150. I paid $75 for them. Everything on the site was 50% off. So these are some Vans that I bought for my son, some Old Skool 5 Vans for my son, and they were $34, and they were 50% off. They brought them to $17.50. So I got these for him. Cool little pair of Vans for him, because his feet are growing. I'm afraid he's probably gonna have a big foot like his dad. I wear 13. And I'm not even 6 feet tall, and I wear a 13. Everybody around me that I know that wears a 13 is like 6'1", 6'2", and up. I have a friend that's like 6'4", 6'5", wears a 13. Here I am like 5'9", 5'10", with size 13 shoe. Then this one for me. Now, interesting about this shoe, and you can see right here it says Undercover. Jun Takahashi. Well, Takahashi. This shoe, I think they had it available in women's, but the size conversion ran up so high that it went up to, I think, like a 15 or 16 in women's. So you can wear it in, I got a 14 and a half, which is a 13 in men's. So it is the Nike Daybreak Undercover. Now, which colorway did I get, may you ask? Sure, I can tell you. I got the Lucky Green University Red and White pair. This colorway is dope. This is the dopest colorway to me. The yellow ones were dope, but to me, this one was the dopest colorway out of all those that came out. It's just the colors, man, the green and the red. As you can see, it has like the mesh, not even the mesh, kind of like the nylon material. All the green here is a nylon material. The toe box is kind of like it's like a old, it kind of makes like an old worn nubuck material, and even here. But the cool part about it is where the Nike check is on the outside, and the middle side is like a leather. It's like a soft leather. And then in the back here is also like that old nubuck material where it's black at here on the tab. So it's just a mixture of different materials on the shoe. Then this little wing part is, it's like a plastic. It's like a hard plastic. This is just a dope shoe, man. Overall, just all around dope shoe. And on the tongue it says Undercover, and it has the name Jun Takahashi here on the tongue as well. And it has the U for the Undercover logo. All around dope shoe. This shoe was $160. I got it for $80. Can't beat that. Dope pickup. No complaints on my end. This is a dope shoe. I'm gonna rock this shoe immediately. Matter of fact, let me just take them out the box. They're going straight to the case. But that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to the website. Not the website. The video. If you like the videos, man, hit the like button. Hit that like button. That goes a long way. That helps with the visibility of these videos. So please hit that like button. Means everything. And if you like what you see, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. And if you see me out, say what's up. I'm not bougie. I'm not snooty. I'm not arrogant. Never. No matter how many followers I get. I got 600 subscribers, but you know, I still speak to people. If I had 1 million, I still speak to people. So feel free, if you see me, come holler at me, man. And you know, if I'm not in an urgent rush, I might shoot the breeze with you about sneakers. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much that, man. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll probably be back at it again tomorrow because I got a steal coming from not StockX, from GOAT. I got a steal coming from GOAT. This shoe is, I've been wanting this shoe. It's old and I've been wanting it, and it's out. It came it's on GOAT, and I got it for a steal. And when I tell you the story, when I get the shoe in, I was mind blown. But I definitely took that steal. And that's pretty much it. I thank you guys for tuning in. Until the next video, you guys be cool.